Hi, welcome to Sculpture 1 and Sculpture 2 Honors with Miss Edcamp, me. All right, welcome. We have a lot of things that we do in this class, a lot of different medium. Mostly we work with clay, but we have a couple unconventional material challenges. We have some paper sculpture. We have a lot of different things. Students will be learning about all the different clay techniques as well as different sculptures like in the round, relief, what all these things mean. So let's talk about the projects. All right, in this class, students will be learning sculptural techniques, history, and learning about artists from around the world, as well as focusing on artists from North Carolina and the rich history of clay in North Carolina. We are one of the top places in the world for pottery, which is incredible. And I love to share this with the students. So, students will be creating pieces, they will be reflecting on their work, and posting it on their digital portfolio. So, what materials do they need in class? They need a sketchbook. It can be one from another class, it can be one that they buy new for this class. Totally works for me. And I would highly recommend tall kitchen trash bags so they can cover their work. We are trying to move over to bins. So, if you have any big Tupperware bins, like those big ones, we would love to take them off your hands. So, if you had any to donate, we'll use them because it'll be a little bit more environmentally friendly, not as many trash bags. All right, so grading. Projects are worth 50%, sketchbooks are worth 30%, and digital portfolio reflections are worth 20%. So, small assignments, typically have a couple sketchbook assignments per unit, one project per unit, and then they will have one or two digital portfolio posts per unit. But that will come together as a total of 100% per unit. All right, some digital portfolios. Students will get their work on the Google Classroom. I will have everything available for them. Even if they are absent from class, they will have the resources each time to see what they missed and catch up in class. And they will create their work in class, photograph it without the table visible, like having a very clear image, creating a post, answering questions that I will give them, and then turning in their work on their website and turning in on Google Classroom. All right, so Google Classroom, all the students have already been added into Google Classroom at this time. They should have access to everything they need. So the best contact for me is going to be a Remind or email. A Remind that goes straight to my phone. I don't always see the emails because I get so many. So if you go to the Remind code, you can download the app or you can sign up through text message at 81010 with the Remind code at PD2SUD. So that's period 2SUD. And my email is ksudcamp@wcpss.net. And some wish lists besides the tubs that I talked about earlier. It's going to be Band-Aids, cleaning wipes, large smocks, shirts, aprons, paintbrushes. We always need those, and we always need Band-Aids too. And command hooks would be absolutely wonderful if you happen to have them. And thank you so much. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.